everyone. So today I'm going to share you my reflection about sexual aspect of the self. So sexual aspect of the self involve understanding about my sexual identity and desire and values through my personal information. This process includes considering your sexual orientation and gender identity and how relationship and external identity or external factor like culture and shape your sexuality. So the material aspect of the self help us to realize things like money, gadget, and clothes can make life comfortable, but they do not define our true self. Learning about these two aspects, we can develop our respect, confidence, and balance in our personal and social lives.